What's up, Sublimators? Sprite here from Conde Systems, and today I'm going to show you how to sublimate our brand new pet clothes. Let's go down the list of items you're going to need to print these pet shirts. You're going to need protective paper. You're going to need your transfer. We printed this on our SG1000 printer using Sublimation UHD inks on 13 by 19 SPP paper. You're going to need a piece of vapor foam to place into the shirt. I'm going to use a marker to trace my shirt, my scissors to cut it out. You're going to need your pet shirt, your sticky lint roller, and your Pro Spray. To do a full bleed image on these shirts, you need a piece of foam to go all the way from edge to edge. So let's trace our shirt. And now I'm going to place my shirt onto my foam. If you're doing a smaller image, you can just cut out a smaller piece of foam, but always make sure that your paper is larger than your foam is. And now we're ready to lint roll and pre-press. I have my DK20S George Knight heat press back here. I'm going to place a piece of protective paper on the bottom. I'm going to follow that with my lint rolled pet shirt with my foam inserted into it, cover it with a piece of protective paper, and press it for just a couple of seconds. You're going to want to pre-press to get any moisture out and to also pre-shrink your garment. After the pre-press is done, we're going to let it cool, and then we're going to apply our image. To attach our transfer to our t-shirt, we're going to use some Pro Spray. Just spray it down, align your image, and place it back into the heat press. Piece of protective paper on the bottom, followed by your product face up, image face down, followed by another sheet of protective paper. Be sure to check Conde.com for all of our latest instructions. Do you want to see more great videos from Conde Systems? Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell. Now that our time is up, you want to immediately remove your transfer, let it cool, and then we'll come back and do the second side. Now that our first side is cool, we're going to move to the second side. But first, I'm going to place a piece of protective paper in between the vapor foam and the t-shirt to trap any of that ink to protect my vapor foam so I can use it again and again. So let's Pro Spray the image. Line up our product. And put it back in the heat press. The pet market is probably my most favorite market in sublimation, and these pet clothes just add that extra dimension to your already stellar product offering. I love these pet clothes. They come in a lot of different sizes. We have them from extra small all the way up to XXX. Not only are these great for your existing pet line to expand on it a little bit, maybe push yourself out there, but I also like to put it on my stuffed animals as well. If you're interested in more about these pet products, contact your Conde account representative today. This is Sprite from Conde Systems. Happy sublimating!